Hi, I'm Kira Green.
And I'm Michael Sweeney, and we are the Green Sweeney team at Residential Properties.
Welcome to 156 Blackstone Boulevard. This home, built in 2012, offers an open layout and a contemporary floor plan that is much sought after.
Being a smart build, this home has high-efficiency HVAC, hardy board siding, as well as a heated driveway and walkway are just a few of the high-end amenities offered at this house.
Living at 156 Blackstone allows you walkability to Wayland Square and the Farmers Market at the end of Hope Street,
as well as running down Blackstone Boulevard.
It's truly in the heart of the East Side.
Let's take a look inside.
Step inside to this beautiful contemporary layout. The living room, dining room, den, and kitchen all open to one another. Coffered ceilings, gorgeous restoration hardware lighting, and hardwoods are throughout the home.
The chef's kitchen features Carrara marble countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, and a generous center island.
Michael, couldn't you just imagine hosting a gathering in this space?
I can imagine hosting many. The den provides a casual place to sit, relax, and watch a movie or enjoy the gas fireplace.
The beautiful French doors lead to the gorgeous patio. The raised living room is a sunny and relaxing place to sit and chat. It also has French doors leading to a deck which looks upon Blackstone Boulevard and adjoins the primary suite, which Michael is about to show you.
Thank you, Kira, and welcome to the primary suite, a serene and tranquil part of the house that also has access to the deck, as well as an ensuite bath with soaking tub and shower, and an expansive walk-in closet.
On the second floor, a separate guest wing with 3 nicely proportioned bedrooms and a second full bath complete this gorgeous home. Michael, this home truly has it all. And to have a deck like this off the master in the living room really provides carefree, maintenance-free outdoor living.
I agree. So if you can picture yourself sitting on this deck enjoying the beautiful sunset, please visit the property website or contact the Green Sweeney team at 401-339-5621.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at green_Sweeney.